Hi everyone, welcome to 3 Kids in a Home. I am Tiffany, and to get started, we're going to be changing out this builder's grade light fixture. Changing out your light fixtures is a quick way to give your home a refresh, so let's go ahead and get started. First things first, make sure you cut the power supply to the light fixture by flipping the breaker to the off position. Here, I am testing to make sure the power is shut off completely. Next, we will want to remove the old light fixture. To do this, I will remove the cover, disconnect the existing wires, and unscrew the mounting plate. So here again, now that I have taken down the old light fixture, I'm also removing the existing mount plate because the light that I purchased does come with its own mounting plate, so I don't need this one. Now it's time to assemble the light fixture. Every fixture will have their own assembly instructions, but here I am just feeding the electrical wires through the rods and screwing the rods together. Before connecting the electrical wires, extend your light fixture from the ceiling to make sure it is the desired length, and then remove the excess wire. Since there was an existing electrical box, I am comfortable with hanging this light fixture myself. Basically, you will attach the ribbed neutral wire from the light fixture to the white wire coming from the ceiling. Attach the smooth feed wire from the light to the black wire from the ceiling. The ground wire from the ceiling gets wrapped around the ground screw on the mounting plate before attaching it to the copper wire from the light fixture. Secure each connection with a wing nut and push the wires into the ceiling. So now that I've pushed the wires into the ceiling and screwed the canopy cover on, it is now time to install the light bulbs. Alright everybody, so this is what it looks like. I finally got the light fixture installed, so now I am going to just hit the light switch, make sure my lights are coming on appropriately. Here's the moment of truth. Whoa, we got light. It is so bright. So this is the finished look and I really love it. I didn't want anything too big in this area because I didn't want it to overpower the space. So this gives me just the right touch that I was looking for. So now that I'm finished putting up my light, while I was putting up my light, I got this wonderful package and I'm so excited. It is my wine fridge, y'all. I had the perfect place for this. It is actually going to go over here in my dining room, right in this little space right here. So I am ready to put it in there. So stay tuned for part 2. So this is a 12 bottle wine fridge. I ordered it from Amazon. It was the perfect size that I needed for my space. Unpacking was really easy. I just pulled it out of the box. What I'm going to be doing is removing these middle shelves out of the console to fit it perfectly into that space. And I'm also going to take the back panel off of the console as well because it will stick out a little bit. So basically I just slid the unit right into the back of the console, and now it does come with this handle that I do have to screw on. It's the only assembly that it requires, so it was pretty easy to do. Next, I've washed all my shelves, so now I'm just wiping them down to make sure they're nice and clean, and then I'm going to go ahead and store my beverages in the unit. So this is what the wine fridge looks like now that it is assembled. As I said, it fits perfectly into the space, and it comes with a key so that you can lock and unlock the door, which is good for if you have kids in the house. When you open it, it does have plenty of space to store your beverages, so even if you want to put like water bottles and things of that nature, you can put that in there. When you close it, you can also adjust the temperature on it to the required setting, and it even comes with a little light so that you can display what's inside the fridge as well. So because we are getting ready to transition to fall, I did want to pop in and show you some of my dining decor that I use for spring and summer. So the fabric you see on the table is just a curtain panel. Those vases are from the Amazon store, and the chain link as well. The blue plate is from Ross, and the smaller plate is from the Dollar Tree. The gold placemats I did buy from the At Home store, and I believe those white and brown chargers are from Hobby Lobby. And the same for this setting. The hourglass is from the At Home store. The vase and chain link again is from Amazon. And that blue, gray, and white vase is from the At Home store. I got this cute little wine glass holder off of Amazon, and the wine glasses are from the At Home store. And then I got this cute little wine stopper set as well from Amazon. So yeah, this is what my decor was looking like. This is how everything comes together. I was really pleased. I enjoyed looking at it over the spring and summer season. And yeah, I just think it's so cute, and I'm getting ready to transition to fall, so stay tuned for next week's video. Thank you. If you like what you see today, please hit that like and subscribe button and have a wonderful day.